There he is.
Fish on. That's a good one. That's a good one. Damn, he was deep. He was deep.
Yeah, see, that's what happens. My knee is fucked up already. Look at this. Look at this right here. First fish of the day.
First cast of the day.
Team Ralph. All right. Team Ralph.
Yeah. Whoa. I like it.
All right, I'm putting the jig on.
We're in 35 feet of water, by the way.
We are?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a deep dive.
Oh, man, he wasn't hooked that good. Don't make a scene. Nice one, Andy. Click us.
You like that?
Jesus Christ. Now everybody's now everybody's gonna say you do it too damn. You take too long. You need a net?
I don't know.
Definitely, man. Let's not lose them if you think you need it. Don't want to lose good ones. Oh hell yeah! That's a big ass goddamn. Holy mackerel! Look at the size of that bluegill. That's a nice sunny right there. Let me see him. Let me see his belly. Yeah, that's definitely a big one. That's Tim McGraw worthy. Nice. Yeah, that guy Tim McGraw. He... Oh yeah, because they're on the bottom.
I just knew it. I saw him over there and said, man.
They're on the bottom.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
All you have to do is say film.
Look at that rod. Come on out of there. Oh my Lord, where is he? Holy shit!
Man, that's a nice one. Oh man! Look at that thing there. Damn.
Hot damn.
Is that on jig?
Damn, he choked that. Do you need the pliers on him?
No, I don't think it's a good hook set. Now put it down there for
That's all right. Oh, cool.
Look at that. That's nice.
He's beat up too, isn't he? We got big money coming.
Is he on a tree or something?
Oh, there is a tree there.
I think he got me on the tree. Oh no. Shit. Fucking boy.
Is he still on now?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
Yep. Let's get on the other side of the tree. Yep, you can count on a goddamn brush power tree on every point.
Yeah, he was on there.
Yeah, those guys love fishing those points.
Why, you think someone dropped that down there?
Yeah, we all do. Every point. That's why I catch bass before you guys do, because I know where they're at.
Yeah, he's still on there.
Yeah.
Is that on that pretty worm again? Yeah, look at him. See him in the water? There he comes. Oh, look at that. He must have had
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Don't break your line. He's down in that grass.
Yes, he was. Thank you.
Was he on a tree or the grass, you think?
I don't know. He had me wrapped around, I guess.
Oh, he's on this. That's some heavy duty shit. Foxtail.
Oh, is that what it's called?
See it? Yep. Look, he loved that. Nice. Now you can cook a bass.
All right, give me one of those worms. I'm good.
Yep. Good one. All right, we got green fish for Andy. Now we're working. Wait.
Fish on, fish on.
Keith's got a fish. Oh my God, it's a smallie.
It's about fucking time.
Oh my God.
Oh,
That was great.
No.
Swing it, swing it, swing it.
God damn.
Oh my God. People, I just bet Keith $1,000 fucking that he couldn't fish with a Senko the rest of the day. And he's been fishing for like 4 minutes. Well, maybe 15. And he just banged the first smallie. Let's see it. Nice.
Hot damn.
Hot goddamn is right. And now I'm out $1,000 fucking.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's just me.
Son of a bitch, it's worth every penny.
It was, wasn't it?
Oh, thank God.
And guess what? I'm going to fish with this Senko the rest of the fucking day.
Oh, Lord.
Excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît.
Damn, man, I missed the roll. That's all right. Do your thing. Big old yelly. Yeah, that is a big yelly.
Smelly yelly.
I don't know why that.
We caught a junior
Keith is
smallie.
on the smallmouth bite hardcore today.
Yes, I was fast jerking a Ned rig.
Yep, and that's all he's been doing is slaying smallmouth day after day.
Day after day.
Camera. He's catching another one. I'm just bringing the bastard in to recast it.
I got it.
Told you I'm a worm fisherman.
You better get your rod down. If he jumps, you're in trouble.
Okay.
You're gonna be sad.
He doesn't want to come up though.
Make sure I'm videoing.
It's a big one.
Well, I hope so.
It's huge, bro.
Don't let him jump. Don't let him jump. He's gonna jump. Yep, put your rod tip down in the water if you have to.
He's in that grab.
Boom! Holy shit. First, second cast.
Told you I can fish a worm.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go. Now I'm not going to hear the end of this one. Yep. Told you you'd know when he bit it.
Oh, he did too.
Yep, they love those little worms.
Oh.
If that worm tore up, put a new one on.
How do you put it back together?
Let me show you. It's got to always be up past that skip gap. That's what holds it on. Then you go back.
Oh, okay.
That's what keeps it. And then you got to, man, he bit the shit out of that. Click it. I got a good one. Come on, baby.
Man, it's a nice one.
Oh, look at that black blue, baby.
Oh, yeah. I think you got it. Oh,
Black blue.
look at that.
Yeah. 3 on the board. He's lucky I caught him with this because I was getting ready to throw the jerk bait.
Really nice fish. You got the camera on?
Oh, he's trying to jump. Holy hell, he swallowed that thing.
Yes, he did.
4. Maybe they're clicking. Maybe they're going to eat now.
Oh, shit. I gotta get back to the basket. He finally caught up in me.
You knew that.
I was cutting through the island there, and I saw this dog being walked, and I just had to hit it.
Walking the dog through the cut through.
I had to hit that dog.
Oh, those green flies. Little one. He's running now.
Is he?
Yeah.
Where's he going?
I don't know what the hell he is. Oh, I wonder. Yeah.
Smallie. Is he a keeper?
I don't think he's 12. You can measure him. I'm gonna say if he is 12, he just squeaks in.
Nah. He's pushing 11.
11. That's what he gets. That's what he gets for messing with the jig.
With the horn.
Yep.
Get the horn.